You could exercise every single day for the next 100 days, eat plenty of protein, and take all the right supplements. But if you're not taking these specific vitamins before bed, you still won't build muscle, especially as you get older. You've probably heard that magnesium supplements help with muscle growth. But what if I told you that isn't the whole truth? Forget magnesium, because in the next few moments, I'm going to show you 2 nighttime vitamins that actually help your body build muscle while you sleep. These work better and faster than magnesium ever could. Here's why this matters. About 70% of muscle repair and growth happens at night, especially between 11 p.m. and 3 a.m. That's when your body does its most important recovery work. We'll start with the second best nighttime vitamin first, because it's easier to find, and then move on to the number 1 supplement most people ignore. I'll also share 3 supplements you must avoid at night if you want to recover properly and actually grow muscle while you sleep. So make sure you're subscribed, and let's begin. Number 1. Vitamin D3. When you take vitamin D3 before bed, something remarkable happens while you're asleep. Your vitamin D levels activate tiny sensors in your muscle cells called VDRs, vitamin D receptors. These receptors tell your muscles to absorb more calcium and phosphorus from the foods you ate earlier in the day. Those minerals are what help your muscle fibers contract and grow stronger. Vitamin D also signals your body to make more testosterone during sleep, and that hormone helps your muscles use the protein from your diet to build new tissue overnight. Without enough vitamin D, this entire nighttime muscle repair process can slow down by as much as 60%. It also plays another role, reducing inflammation inside your muscles as you rest. That means faster recovery and less muscle breakdown as you age. Most vitamin D3 supplements contain 2,000 to 4,000 IU per capsule, which is about 10 times more than what most older adults get from sunlight. A Harvard study followed 400 seniors with low vitamin D for 8 months. Those who took vitamin D3 daily gained an average of 2.8 pounds of muscle, while the control group gained just 0.4 pounds. Even centuries ago, people understood its power. Viking warriors used cod liver oil through dark winters to keep their strength when sunlight was scarce. So how can you take it? Take 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 with your evening meal, ideally one that contains healthy fats. Vitamin D absorbs best with food. You can also get it naturally. Try grilling 4 ounces of salmon with herbs. That one piece gives you more vitamin D than most people get in an entire week. Roast some mushrooms with rosemary and pair them with mashed sweet potatoes and grass-fed butter to improve absorption. Here's a bonus tip. Mix a spoonful of cod liver oil into your salad dressing. You won't taste it, but your muscles will thank you all night long. Finish your dinner with a glass of fortified milk, and your body will have everything it needs for overnight muscle repair. But don't stop there, because vitamin D3 works best when combined with the next supplement. Without it, your muscle gains will still be limited. Number 2. Zinc. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones, which are crucial for rebuilding and strengthening muscle tissue. But those hormones can't function properly without zinc. Zinc controls more than 300 enzymes responsible for muscle repair while you sleep. When your zinc levels are healthy, those enzymes stay active for 6 to 8 hours. But when you're deficient, and around 40% of seniors are, your muscle repair slows down by nearly 60%. Zinc also helps amino acids, the building blocks of protein, reach your muscle cells, where they're assembled into new muscle fibers. That's why people with good zinc levels wake up less sore and more energized, while those with low levels often feel stiff and weak. Most zinc supplements provide 15 to 30 milligrams of easily absorbed zinc per capsule. That's about 300% more than what most older adults get from food alone. Low zinc doesn't just affect your muscles. It slows down wound healing, lowers testosterone, and prevents your body from using dietary protein efficiently. That's why some people eat plenty of protein but still can't build muscle. A University of Michigan study tracked 120 zinc-deficient seniors for 12 weeks. Those who took 20 milligrams of zinc daily improved their muscle protein synthesis by 34% and recovered from exercise 40% faster. Researchers found that zinc literally switches on the genes responsible for muscle repair. Even ancient healers knew its power. Egyptian physicians used zinc-based salves more than 4,000 years ago to heal soldiers' wounds and restore their strength. For best results, take your zinc supplement with a full glass of water about 2 hours before bedtime. But be careful, these vitamins won't help at all if you combine them with the 3 supplements you must never take at night. The last one on the list is something most people use regularly, and it can quietly destroy your progress. The 3 supplements to avoid at night. 1. B-complex vitamins. You might find this surprising, since B vitamins are often recommended for energy, nerve health, and metabolism. But taking B-complex in the evening can seriously interfere with your muscle-building process. B vitamins, like B6, B12, niacin, and riboflavin, are stimulating. They speed up metabolism, raise your heart rate slightly, and make you more alert. That's great during the day, but at night it works against you. Your muscles grow and repair only when you're in deep sleep. That's when your body releases growth hormone and rebuilds tissue. But if your nervous system is still active from B vitamins, you won't reach deep, restorative sleep. A 2019 sleep medicine review found that seniors who took B-complex at night had lower melatonin, delayed sleep onset, and shorter deep sleep cycles. That means less time for muscle repair. It also raises cortisol, the stress hormone, which not only keeps you awake but breaks down muscle protein for energy, the exact opposite of what you want. I once worked with Margaret, an 87-year-old who exercised regularly and drank protein shakes but kept losing strength. We discovered she was taking her B-complex supplement after dinner. Once she switched it to the morning, her sleep improved, and within 3 weeks, she regained 2 pounds of lean muscle. The takeaway: never take B-complex at night. Take it with breakfast to fuel your day and let your body rest at night. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is praised for its immune benefits and wound healing, but taking it at night can actually interfere with your body's repair cycle. Here's why: vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant, and while that's beneficial during the day, your muscles need a little oxidative stress at night to trigger the repair process. That mild stress signals your body to release growth hormone and rebuild muscle fibers. If you take too much vitamin C before bed, it blocks that signal, slowing down muscle protein synthesis, the process that makes muscles stronger. Research shows that high antioxidant intake late at night suppresses mTOR, the main pathway your muscles use to grow. Vitamin C also slightly increases alertness by boosting norepinephrine, a brain chemical that keeps you awake. That means lighter sleep and less time in the deep, healing stages your muscles need. I remember Harold, a 79-year-old retired teacher who took 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C every night with his dinner. Once he switched to taking it in the morning, his sleep and energy both improved, and within a month, he regained noticeable strength. So, the lesson is simple: vitamin C is helpful, but only in the morning. 3. Caffeine. This one is obvious but often overlooked. Caffeine isn't just in coffee or tea, it's hidden in pre-workout powders, energy supplements, and some multivitamins. Caffeine stimulates your nervous system and increases cortisol. That may boost alertness, but at night it blocks muscle recovery. High cortisol interferes with protein synthesis, the process that turns dietary protein into new muscle. And caffeine blocks adenosine receptors in your brain, which signal that it's time to rest. That means less deep sleep and less growth hormone release. A 2020 study in nutritional neuroscience followed 160 older adults for 10 weeks. Those who had caffeine within 6 hours of bedtime lost 28% more muscle mass compared to those who avoided it. One of my patients, Gloria, an 81-year-old retired nurse, was taking a nighttime fat burner with 150 milligrams of hidden caffeine. She couldn't figure out why her strength wasn't improving. Once she cut it out, her sleep improved and her hand grip strength went up 19% within a month. The message here is clear: keep all caffeine to the morning. No coffee, tea, or caffeinated supplements after lunch if you want your muscles to rebuild overnight. Which of these vitamins have you been unknowingly taking at night? Share in the comments. I read every one. And if you're serious about getting stronger at any age, check out my 30-day muscle recovery meal plan. It includes 90 high-protein, collagen-rich recipes designed to work with your body's repair cycle. Every recipe avoids the nighttime supplements we just talked about, and includes exact timing strategies to help your muscles grow naturally. And don't miss tomorrow's video. I'll be revealing a clinically proven method that can increase leg muscle activation by 34% without any exercise at all. I'm sharing it exclusively with subscribers first, so make sure you're subscribed. You'll be amazed at how simple it is, and it might just change how you think about aging and strength forever. See you tomorrow.